ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and just like the name says, that's all you need to know. But this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Good evening, everyone.
Dr. Ross, tell us what's happening in the Bible.
So first of all, we're going to start it off with Wendy Williams. We hear our good friend Miss Lunell is going to be applying for the panel on Miss Wendy Williams' show. So good luck on that.
That's right, good luck, because, you know, we're all love right here. And, you know, Dr. Ross and IK, we're going to be on the Wendy Williams show, too.
As
so
your
make sure
first guest.
That's right, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
Let's get into our actual hot topics in the Bible today. For our first hot topic, new trailer for the Batman reveals super intense Robert Pattinson action, and Zoe Kravitz is seen playing Catwoman.
And Dr.
What
Ross,
do you think, IK?
I'm going to cut you off right there. You know, Zoe Kravitz, she could still make it work, but it's still an up and down for me. But Robert Pattinson, he's nowhere near like Christian Bale. He's over there fighting like this. I don't know who was doing his choreography.
I've been trying to reach you. Burn to God!
But it needs to be done better.
Exactly.
But what are your thoughts on the Batman film? Because we both watched the trailer.
Personally, you can tell they put a lot of money into this trailer.
Yes.
And, you know, the cinematography is amazing, but Robert Pattinson, like IK was saying, he needs to get a little bit better coaching on his martial arts. Let IK and I train you. We've been training since we were young, since we first learned how to walk, so IK and I can teach you.
Because,
but
you
also,
know, in this one, they just had him getting shot up and getting blown up.
And thrown off of buildings. Another thing is, Catwoman is old. That's all I have to say, because we have scripts coming out, and you'll see in the near future. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Actually, before we get into our hot topics in the Bible, we're going to go into the She's Hot contest.
That's right.
Because we know you guys have been waiting for it, and tonight is the night. But our She's Hot winner she's a throwback one, and she is Stacey Dash.
Congratulations, Miss Stacey Dash, on your win.
Congratulations. Miss Stacey Loretta Dash is an American actress and a former talk show host. She played Diane Marie Davenport in the 1995 feature film Clueless and the TV show with the same name.
Stacey Dash is a one-of-a-kind dime. She is someone that you lose words for because she's either scandalous or saying something that offends a lot of people. But that's why she is our She's Hot winner.
That's right. Congratulations. Miss Stacey Dash. You're just like your TV show, Clueless. But let's get into our next hot topic in the Bible with Chelsea Handler. So she has met her match. The comedian is reportedly dating fellow stand-up comic Joe Coy. She says she's finally in love with the best kind of guy there is, and she also says that there is hope for everyone.
I thought Joe Coy was black. It turns out we've been informed he is a jalapeno. I mean Filipino, the flip.
But you know what, to Miss Chelsea Handler, only thing I have to say is handle your business.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic in the Bible.
So Miguel and Nazdan Mandy, the singer and actress, both 35, have decided to separate and have been for some time now. A rep said for the couple in September 27th. The pair were together for 17 years and married only for 3. 17
years. Was worth it? But you know what? IK is still here. I'll help you out, brother. With the international book. You know where to call.
That's
1-800-INTERNATIONAL-KING. We'll get into the details later.
That's
but Dr. Ross, what are your thoughts on all of the couples that just got on the heart monitor, as the magazine says?
For me, it seems like all of these guys are getting dumped by scandalous women. Not only their couple, but also Jason Derulo just got dumped by his Instagram model girlfriend, Gina Frooms, and we know how that ended. So let's get into our next hot topic. For our next hot topic, Michael Gandolfini honors his dad. He steps into his late father James' iconic role, playing a young Tony Soprano in the Sopranos prequel film, The Many Saints of Newark.
And you know, Dr. Ross and I actually watched this film.
That's right.
And my thoughts, it's a very good film, but they're just killing the family the whole time. The
Yes.
father got killed, son got killed, uncle, aunt. Everyone died in the film.
Everyone, except for the young Tony Soprano. And at the end, he said, "This is when I'm going to start the mafia." So it's just a repeating cycle. But I feel his acting was superb, and everyone's acting in the film was actually amazing.
Yes.
Besides the fact that they were killing each other.
And you know what? The one scene at the end, it really reminded me of the one scene with Vanity and the one guy. I'll put his name right here. But we're gonna put the scene in, and that scene, it was almost exactly like The Sopranos.
Identical when he was suffocating Vanity, and Vanity saying, "I don't know who he is," and suffocating her. It's the exact same thing that happened when he was pulling her into the water and suffocating.
What else you tell him?
What do I know I could tell him? I don't know nothing.
We're going to get into our next hot topic for today with Kim Kardashian. So Kim Kardashian was spotted on the beach being scandalous as ever.
Card Jenner news.
There's a photo of her right there. She was actually going out on the beach to enjoy some of the waves, but she said it was a bit too cold, so she got out and left.
Kim Kardashian, we know exactly why you were on that beach. First of all, I want to say you're getting a little bit chubby, so you're going to have to go back to the suit. What do I say? The surgery to get, yes. But I want to say, Kim Kardashian, the second reason, you know exactly why you were on that beach. You were not there to go swimming. You were not there to put your feet in the sand. You were there to get some Instagram photos and then say, "Guys, let's go, we got the photos." Let's get into our next hot topic. Jodie Comer in The Last Duel and Ridley Scott's sensitive and effective set.
And you know, Dr. Ross, we didn't actually watch the film, but we've heard from reviews that it was...
We've seen interviews and people talking on it, the writers.
And I've heard some reviews saying that the film was okay, but you know, that's what you gotta expect since it's an artsy film.
Exactly, and everyone's gonna have their view. Some people can watch the same movie and they'll think it's the best movie on the planet. And other people will watch it and they'll say, could be better. So there's a movie for everyone out there.
That's right. You know, the film is very subjective. But we're going to get into our final hot topic for today.
Card Jenner Roundup.
That's right. This is the Card Jenner Roundup with Travis and Kourtney. They're called The Real Deal. There's no denying Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian are wild for each other. But a source tells us that their connection is much deeper than physical attraction.
How long are they going to be telling us every single day and every second that they are together? We get it. We get that they're dating and they're happy. But yes, thumbs down.
A source was telling us that they're just about to get engaged, allegedly.
Apparently, we heard they're already married. Next thing you're going to know, next week they're going to have 2 twins and a set of babies. So, we'll keep you guys informed.
You missed out, Scott Disick. You shouldn't have been drunk the whole time. But these were all of our hot topics for today. And for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. Because I love myself some roses, and I love myself a bit of gold.
Au revoir. Everything is everything.
That's how you have to do it. We're out.